Nice, get it up.
Rolling.
Yeah.
Keep rolling.
Oh my God.
But I told him one more time. Favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're heading off to the BrapLife meet. We're about a minute away now. I'm buzzing. Let's go and see what this is all about. See who's there, and hopefully this will be a bit of a decent ride out. But we'll see what happens. Like I say, we are literally pretty much here now. Just gotta find where it is. I found him. Oh man, dope. Mr. Braps on the Grom. Oh my God, look at that. Yes, boy. Oh yeah, nice. A little bit of twisty, as this is what I'm after. The bloke on the 125, they're struggling hard. Oh man, this is class. Oh, sorry for the lack of, like any kind of commentary. This thing is just so overwhelming. There is too much going on at like one time. I'm just kind of like a rabbit in the headlights, like what the f. But no, this is sick, man. This is proper sick. Yeah, buddy. This is going on for like a mile and a half this ride out. I was expecting like 20-30 bikes, man. Not this. This is mad. I'll just stay with the big boys because they're a little bit more chilled out. All the lads on the 125s are a bit mental, to be honest. They're just popping wheels up left, right and centre. Hopefully the audio's alright for you. I know we've had some issues, but we'll get them fixed, and then hopefully we'll have the perfect setup. Weather's beautiful, what a day for it. It is carnage though, honestly carnage. Bikes everywhere, man. Absolutely everywhere. Nice, get it up! Yeah! I think someone just said there's police lights, so see what's happening. universal sign for the police. Just bang that helmet, man. people don't care. They look like, whoa, straight up living it. On balance point, just chilling, man. And he's gone again. Honestly, madness. We'll see how this turns out. So, but if there's police everywhere, I'm bouncing, man. I'm bouncing. So many supermotors about as well. Makes me want one even more. Let's go see. Oh, Tarzan's up. So many bikes, man. You just got to be constantly vigilant, constantly looking. You don't want to take someone else out around here, man. Not the one.